So yeah, while the chicken was cooking, and what I did next, and I tried to mix all these dry ingredients together with the parsley leaf that I cut already. So I will just mix everything together. So this paste is going to be on top of the chicken later after the chicken is cooked. Like I absolutely like it, and it's so delicious. As you guys can see, the bottom, there's no oil, not so much oil on it. So this chicken, you can use it for everything. Like you can serve it with rice. I actually wanted to serve it with rice, but my rice is still cooking. So I was like, you know what? Let me just put it on the plate like this for you guys to see. So you can serve it with rice. You can serve it with potato puree, or you can even serve it with French fries if you want to eat that, or with some roasted potato. Like you are ready. Like it's done. It's done. Okay, it was so easy and so easy and delicious. Yeah, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to give your girl a like. Okay, give me a thumbs up, which is gonna help my mini YouTube channel to grow. Subscribe for more if you have not. And thank you all so much for watching my video. In the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.